Good morning, it's Saturday, August 13th, 2011, and this is a special video for a potential heavy rain event for tomorrow on through Monday. We currently have an area low pressure developing over the central Great Lakes that will dive to the southeast towards the mid-Atlantic coast tomorrow through Monday, producing very heavy rainfall over the New York City and Philadelphia metropolitan area. I'll discuss in a few minutes what's going on with these showers here and whether they'll be a threat today and what they're telling us about the strength of the low pressure system going forward. So let's take a look at the water vapor satellite picture, and as you can see, we have a very strong and dynamic upper level disturbance diving to the southeast over the upper Midwest and central Great Lakes. This disturbance will dive to the southeast towards the mid-Atlantic coast by tomorrow morning and produce a very strong area low pressure to the southeast of New Jersey. I want to point out this is Tropical Storm Franklin that is moving off to the northeast. This feature is important because as it's moving into the northern Atlantic, it will interact with a negative NAO pattern that's starting to break down. However, with this interaction, the negative NAO pattern will become reinvigorated and as a result cause blocking over the North Atlantic. That blocking causes this high pressure system to set up around Maine and slows this low pressure system down off the New Jersey coast, producing periods of heavy rainfall from tomorrow on through Monday. That is why this low pressure system is going to be so impressive with the heavy rainfall, because this tropical system is blocking up the pattern and causing this upper level disturbance to hang around for more than 24 hours. Let's take a look at the latest radar image, and you can see we have showers starting to move in from the southwest, but notice the trend of these showers. They're collapsing, and that's because of the high pressure system setting up over New England. So for right now, we have too much dry air in place. In fact, when we look at the surface features, let's bring this up real fast, you can see we have quite a bit of dry air over New England, and we have lingering dry air over the Philadelphia metropolitan area. As a result, our relative humidity values are still a bit low for potential for rainfall to continue to develop over the northern Atlantic. That will continue on through today, but I expect this eventually will give way late tonight through early tomorrow morning and increase in coverage. What this does tell us as far as the development of showers and thunderstorms is that this upper level low is already starting to pull in Atlantic moisture and will be capable of producing the strong moisture transport needed for a heavy rainfall over the region. Looking at the latest NAM model guidance as of 12Z, which is basically just coming out now. And what I want to show here is basically the NAM model guidance has been handling the upper level disturbance the best in the short range, along with the European model guidance. They're pretty much in agreement on the development of this storm. And as we move forward, you can see that this upper level disturbance dives to the southeast, and notice that the trough becomes negatively tilted just a little bit and causes this low pressure system to sit off of the New Jersey coast. As a result, we have moisture transporting into the northern Mid-Atlantic, producing heavy rainfall. How heavy will this rain be? Well, when we look at the latest high resolution NAM model guidance, which basically enhances the resolution of the model and makes the model a little bit more accurate, you can see as the rainfall comes in, you'll notice that there are some bullseyes with this rainfall. What this basically means is that there's going to be enhanced lifting because of orographic lifting over northeastern Pennsylvania and northwestern New Jersey, and also there'll be elevated thunderstorms within the waves of moderate to heavy rain, and that will enhance the rainfall potential. And you could see as we head on through time, the heaviest rainfall is expected to be along the Delaware River and over northwestern New Jersey, where the easterly wind that comes in with this storm causes an enhancement of lifting of rainfall and produces very heavy rainfall. Along the immediate coast, you'll still experience moderate to heavy rainfall. Rainfall amounts anywhere from 1 to 2 inches over eastern Connecticut through parts of Long Island. when you're outside of the embedded thunderstorms at least. Now, as you move along the New Jersey coast from basically New York City through the New Jersey coast on west, looking at anywhere to 2 to 3 inches on average, with locally higher amounts. Again, if you're caught in one of these embedded thunderstorms, you could have rainfall amounts over 3 inches very easily. And I'm expecting the potential for flash flooding throughout the region because of this heavy rainfall. So use some caution. If you have to go out tomorrow, take your time. And more importantly, if you really need to go out, okay, give yourself plenty of time, because I think the roadways are going to be very slippery because they've been so dry. You have oil on the roadways combined with heavy rainfall, reduced visibility, and that's the makings of an accident. So use some caution and stay smart. If you can, stay home, read a book, and enjoy the rainy weather. At least it's a nice break from the heat wave. Thank you for trusting NYNJPA Weather. This is your severe weather update. Have a great day.